Today we have a very special and warm topic. We are going to talk about my favorite people. Yes, I am talking about my dear family. I have a large and very interesting family. Look at this old photo in my hands. This is my home in a small green town. I live there with my parents and my brother. My house is always full of noise and laughter. I want to tell you every little detail today. First, let's look at the most important people. These are my parents, the heart of our home. My mother is a doctor and she is very kind. Her name is Martha and she loves gardening. My father is a chef in a local restaurant. His name is Peter and he cooks amazing pasta. They are married for 25 years already. My parents are my best friends and mentors. We usually spend every Sunday evening together. Do you like spending time with your parents? In my family, we share everything with each other. We have many traditions and secret jokes. My childhood was very happy because of them. I am the oldest child in this family. But I am not the only child here. I have a younger brother who is very funny. He is 10 years younger than me. His name is Leo and he is a student. Let's move to the next page of my album. I have a story about my brother too. Here is a photo of my brother Leo. He is 15 years old and very tall. Leo has messy brown hair and blue eyes. He looks a lot like our father, Peter. My brother is very good at playing football. He plays for the school team every Friday. Leo wants to be a famous sports star. But sometimes he is a bit lazy with homework. I often help him with his English lessons. He thinks that English is a difficult language. We have a very small dog named Sparky. Sparky is actually Leo's best friend. They always run in the park together. My brother is very brave and very active. He also likes playing video games at night. Sometimes we argue about the television remote. But we usually make peace very quickly. I love my brother because he is honest. He always tells me the truth about everything. Yesterday he bought me a beautiful red rose. It was a small surprise for my birthday. We are very different but we are close. Leo is the funniest person I know. He makes my mother laugh every single day. My father is very proud of his son. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Having a sibling is a great adventure. It means you are never truly alone. Wait, I see another photo here. Let's talk about my wonderful grandparents. My grandparents live in a beautiful farm. It is quite far from the city center. My grandfather's name is Henry. He is 70 years old but very strong. He was a pilot many years ago. My grandmother, Alice, is a retired teacher. She is the person who inspired me. She taught me how to read and write. Alice makes the best apple pies in the world. I can still smell the cinnamon in her kitchen. They have many animals on their big farm. There are cows, sheep, and many white chickens. I love visiting them during my summer holidays. The air there is so fresh and clean. My grandfather tells me stories about the sky. He knows every star and every planet. My grandmother has a huge library of books. We sit by the fireplace and read together. They are very wise and very patient people. They always give me the best life advice. My parents visit them every single weekend. Family bonds are very strong in our house. I remember my grandfather's old blue tractor. He let me drive it once when I was 10. It was the most exciting day of my life. My grandparents are very active for their age. They go for long walks every morning. Health is very important for my grandmother. Who is your favorite person in your family? Let's see who else is in my album. This is a picture from a big wedding. You can see many people in this photo. My Aunt Susan is standing in the middle. She is my mother's younger sister. Susan is an artist and lives in Paris. She is very stylish and wears colorful hats. Her husband, my Uncle Tom, is a photographer. They travel around the world every year. They have 2 children, my cousins, Lily and Ben. Lily is my age and she is a nurse. Ben is only 5 and he is very cute. We don't see them very often, unfortunately. But we talk on video calls every Sunday. It is always great to hear their news. My Aunt Susan sends me postcards from France. I have a whole collection of them on my wall. Last year, they visited us for Christmas. It was a very big and loud celebration. We cooked a huge turkey and opened gifts. My cousins brought many sweets from Paris. We played board games until the morning. My Uncle Tom took hundreds of photos. He is making a special book for us. Extended family is very important for me. It feels like having a huge support team. I feel lucky to have such creative relatives. Do you have a big extended family? Or do you prefer small family gatherings? I think both options are very nice. Look, here is a photo of our pet. I mentioned Sparky, our little brown dog. He is a part of our family too. Sparky is 5 years old and very smart. He can bring the newspaper to my father. He also knows how to sit and stay. Every morning, I take him for a walk. We go to the park near our house. Our daily life is very organized and busy. My mother wakes up at 6 o'clock. She makes coffee and breakfast for everyone. My father leaves for work at 8 o'clock. I go to my school to teach English. Leo goes to his classes by bus. We meet again in the evening for dinner. Dinner is the time when we talk most. We put our phones away during the meal. It is our rule to listen to each other. We talk about our day and our problems. My mother always asks about my students. My father tells us jokes from the kitchen. Then we help my mother wash the dishes. We are a very helpful and tidy family. On Saturdays, we go shopping or to the cinema. We love watching comedies and eating popcorn. Sometimes we just stay at home and relax. My family is my safe place in this world. I feel protected when I am with them. Everyone has a role and a responsibility. This makes our life very smooth and happy. I have one last thing to show you. This final photo is my favorite one. It shows all of us at the beach. We are all smiling and looking very happy. The sun is setting behind our backs. This photo reminds me of why family matters. It is about love, respect, and kindness. My family taught me how to be a good person. They taught me to work hard for my dreams. They support my career as a teacher. When I am sad, they make me feel better. When I am happy, they celebrate with me. Family is not just about the same blood. It is about the people who love you. I am very grateful for every person here. My parents, my brother, and my grandparents. Even my crazy aunt and little cousins. They are the pieces of my big heart. I hope you enjoyed my little family story. It was a pleasure sharing this with you. Your family is your biggest treasure in life. Take care of them and talk to them. Call your mother or father after this podcast. Tell them that you love them very much. Thank you for listening to me today. It was a very emotional and nice episode. I will bring more stories next time. Have a wonderful day with your loved ones. Goodbye for now and see you soon. Keep practicing your English every single day. This was Elena, your English teacher friend.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.